Eye sensor, the intelligent TPMS solution. Using a standard ratchet with an 11mm socket attached, carefully remove the locking nut from the valve stem, holding onto the sensor body so it does not drop out of the rim. Once the nut is loosened, it may be easier to remove the nut using your fingers. Once the nut is removed, carefully remove the sensor from the rim. Don't forget to remove both the metal and nylon washers from the rim. Having created your new eye sensor using any of the three methods, you now need to fit it to the rim. Every eye sensor comes complete with a silver-coloured clamp-in stem and a T20 Torx fitting screw. Optional black-coloured valve stems are also available should they be required, as these look more consistent for vehicles fitted with rubber-stemmed OE sensors. Firstly, separate the parts, removing the cap, the locking nut, the metal washer and the nylon washer from the stem. Keep these parts safe for use later. The stem is designed to fit only into the sensor in a particular orientation. This process makes fitting a little easier and less cumbersome than some similar OE styles. Use the screw to loosely attach the main stem component to the sensor body. Once the stem and sensor body are attached, guide the stem through the valve hole in the rim with the face of the sensor facing outwards. Holding the sensor in position, place the nylon washer, the metal washer and the locking nut over the valve stem in that order. Using a calibrated torque wrench equipped with an 11mm socket, fasten the nut to 4 Nm. Now push the sensor body towards the drop center of the rim until there is contact. Again, using a calibrated torque wrench and a T20 Torx bit, fasten the screw to 2.2 Nm. Check that the valve core is fitted correctly with a preset valve core torque tool, and place the valve cap back onto the valve stem. Each time the bead of a tyre fitted with an eye sensor is broken, or if the eye sensor is removed, it is mandatory to replace the fixing and sealing components or replace the whole valve stem. Only official eye sensor components should be used. When servicing, choose the relevant stem components as required and fit in the same way as fitting a new eye sensor. Eye sensor, the intelligent TPMS solution. Brought to you exclusively by Autogem.